Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And today, baby, well, first of all, welcome back to the channel. Second of all, we're gonna do some eye makeup today because I'm still feeling matte eyes. We may add a little bit of something shimmer because you know I want to look real expensive still. But you know what to do. Grab that beverage, grab that juice, grab that cocktail. How about that? And let's get this party started. Let's go. All right, so I thought about it. I said, why not continue to do a little bit of eye makeup for you all since we're still masking around. So we're gonna play around with some eyes. I'm thinking maybe like a nude smoky eye with just a pinch of shimmer because again, I like to look like money. Who doesn't like to look like money? I mean, so we might add in a little bit of shimmer with one of my favorite products as well. But before we get started, I'll tell you it's already on my face because I got my skin on, you know, I came camera ready for y'all today. So I have my foundation on in my color, Studio Fix Stick, 24 hours in NC50 is all over. A little bit of Studio Fix 24-hour concealer underneath these under eye area to conceal and correct and brighten. You know I had to throw on a little bit of Studio Fix powder just to set through the hot spots because you know nobody wants to look too hot. And I did my brows. I did a nice little fluffy brow today with the eyebrow pencil by MAC and Spike. So, you know, that's on. Oh, and I also primed with, you know, my liquid powder in a tube, a little bit of Skin Refine Zone through the center as well. So let's just hop right into it. We're gonna use, I have 4 shadows next to me. We're gonna see, I got 4 in the spare. You know, I don't play cards, but I got 4 shadows and a little extra surprise. But we're gonna play around with it and yeah, let's get started. So I'm not gonna use an eyeshadow primer. I'm a huge believer that not everything always has to feel so steppish. So I'm not gonna do eyeshadow primer because we're gonna be working in layers and the shadows, the Powder Kiss eyeshadows are super long wear. In the words of Tabitha Brown, that's my business. Do what you wanna do in terms of your business, okay? That is like the best term ever. Shout out to Tabitha Brown. Love you, sis. So I'm taking What Clout. You've seen me use this in a different video before. Light cognac color. It's gonna almost be my eyeshadow primer actually because it's the same color of me. Haha, pretty much. Fluffy brush. This is the 224 brush by MAC. Tap off the excess. We're gonna start right on the lid. Kind of absorb eye oil and we're gonna pull it in and we're gonna take this and pull this all the way up, stopping under the brow. Ugh, who does not love a little clout in their life? I do, and if you don't, something's wrong. Sugar, look at that, super pretty. So, I take it back. I didn't necessarily use a designated eyeshadow primer, but What Clout is my primer today, baby. Strike a Pose is next. This one is almost a little peachy. So we're gonna take a little bit of this peachy color, because you know I'm feeling real peachy, and we're gonna pop this right on the lid itself. It's gonna go through the center here, just to kind of brighten me up. Look at that. Don't forget to do a little side-to-side motion to blend out. Nobody wants any lines in their eyeshadow today. Let me switch brushes real quick. I'm gonna use a flat brush with a little bit of Strike a Pose, because I wanna pack this on actually. Like so, yeah. Brilliant. I can now go back with my 224 and just kind of blend out. Take whatever's left on your foundation brush and just kind of like sweep off any excess if you have any fallout. Simple, super easy. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Devoted to Chili, right? We're gonna take just a little bit of Devoted to Chili. And that's just because I'm a little bit of a deeper complexion. I just wanna warm it up just a pinch. And I'm just gonna take a little and kind of go through the center, inner. I'm gonna pull this up into my brow. Let's play around with shape. Just a little. What you think, guys? Good, right? I'm taking Smolder eyeliner because it's a nice creamy black pencil. And we're going to wrap the corner of the eye with Smolder I hate making my eyeliner face. What face do you guys make? Because I'm like, ugh. And I'm gonna wrap it underneath as well. And I'm gonna look up and get into this waterline. Perfect. So we're wrapping it and we're putting more of the emphasis on the outer corner. Take your pencil brush and just slightly smudge it out. Be cute. Yes, it's just coming along perfect. You know the great thing about doing a smoky eye and doing a liner? It ain't gotta be perfect. Smudging it out. Brilliant. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna play around with Give a Glam, which is that deep, dark, blackened chocolate. We're gonna put that on top of this. So I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to go on top, and I'm gonna use the pencil brush for the bottom. And I'm just going to take the brush and press on top of the eyeliner, and just slightly work this back and forth tightly. We'll pull this up some. Like that. Uh-oh. And then you might as well just take it and bring it down. So for wrapping it around, take a little bit more. I'm just gonna pull this underneath. You can always go back and clean up if you need to, which you will, so don't stress. Ooh. Come closer. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is actually, I think I'm going to, so it doesn't sit so low, I think I'm gonna end up cleaning this up just a pinch to give us a little bit of a lift. Because who doesn't want to lift, darling? But I want to come close so you guys can see it. Next, I'm gonna go back with a little bit of more smolder. We're going to add in more into the waterline to make it nice and rich. Just to intensify. And I'm gonna add a little bit more right in the last line up top. Just to make the lashes appear thicker on this outer corner. I'll come close. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my brush with my complexion color and just do a slight side to side dry rub on both sides. Take a pinch of my concealer just to kind of start to clean up. Very lightly. I'm gonna tap and pull away just so I don't mess up my shape for my smoky eye. I love a good curl lash. So I'm gonna curl these really quickly. I'm gonna go back with a little bit more of Strike a Pose, just to brighten it up some. Here's the secret weapon. It's a DazzleShadow called Beam Time. Oh baby, look at this. Look at her. So that's gonna go on the eye. We're gonna just use the brush applicator right at the lash line. We're gonna take it. I'm just gonna bring this up. Yes! Fluffy brush. Press, press, press. Use your finger too. I sparkle, yes. And not like the Mariah Carey glitter sparkle. but like in a good way. Ooh. Mm-hmm. And it's kind of like error-proof. Can't really mess up. The challenge is knowing when to stop, because now I'm like, ooh, I want more. Let them eat glitter. Mm-hmm. Why not just add a little bit of shimmer and make it glimmer? We're gonna go highlight, y'all. Fan brush. The fan brush was clean. I used red with it last time. I just couldn't get it all the way out, but this is clean. I don't want y'all to think I'm using dirty brushes in here. Look at that skin. You know, with an eye like that, you need better than Sex Mascara by TooFaced. So we're gonna pop that on just really quickly. Yes. This is a good mask-worthy eye as well. So, how are you masking with this eye? Don't forget the bottom. Yep. Lips are primed. I'm using Over the Taupe Powder Kiss Lip Color. Right in the center. Looks like this. Yep. Mm-hmm. We're tapping it in. I see I had a nice little light hydration on the lip. So we're making this powder kiss a nice little stain. Mm-hmm. Ooh, let's add more. It's so silky, y'all. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, guys, and there you have it. I don't know what to call this eye except a damn pretty eye, honestly. It's smoky, it's matte, it's earthy, it's neutral, it is pops of glitter and shimmer. It's a whole melange of things. And so I hope you like it, but you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, but most importantly, leave me a comment and tell me what you think about the look and the video. So until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you lots.